Urusu Kyapkon Kalmuk Chidun Gekab Gisinzi Surba Kushab Kirsan Ilyumzhinov Chone, Tiring Sugar Gewe Podanto Pemi Lanamebe Uti, Jinor Konsa Kyamkun Chambuchogi Jagashudu. Tian Sang Chize Nishu Zaru Nyen Sobo Mima Tumone, Pemi Lanamebe Uti, Jinor Konsa Kyamkun Chambuchola, Tinshu Darbu Shudun Kayabata Dun. So you Zor Gurwe Urusu Kyapkon Kisori Nangbe Gekab Kagi, Mena Mandashi Sugar Daram Salar Pepebe Konso, Kalmuk Chidun Gekab Gisinzi Surbatan Sinzi Tangbo, Kushab Kirsan Ilyumzhinov Chota, Kongi Netibe Sopota Urusu Chombota Shede Minachungi Rukashe, Sugar Daram Salar Chebe Naibatar, Taranga to Kushab Kirsan Ilyumzhinov Chone, Konsachoki Jagashudu. Jaga Dupsam Sarga Belhendo Jete Nabikapso, Kushab Kirsan Lagi, Konsakamko Chabuchoni, Kalmo Mimanki Chochoki Uti Yimbata, Kalmok Tishin Europe Nanki Nambe Gekap Tote Shire, Longon Nishu Kongla Konsakamko Chabucho, Kalmo Na Chipgur Zebata Dene, Kalmok Makun Zima Jona Zebeto, Manchu Gesa Ilista Nang to Europe Nanki Nambe Gomba Cheshu Tesarga Nayubate, Yongsu Jukti Nabamase, Tadechar Gombate Nambatsang Maibar, Kalmuk Nangi Chede Dami ki Tine Tabucha Yuba, Tishin Konsachogi Lamde Ho, Konamne Gombe Tagor to Pendup Chubdin ki Kunda Sashina Yogorta Del, Tiring Jete Kap Konsachola Gombati Kubar Sigbi Shugu Kokap Chumata, Kapter Konsachogi Tu Gesor Chimbe Tone, Longon Nishu Kongi Nedun Teta Tu Tensu Zebata, Labar to Tiring Kongi Lendo, Tenga Longon Nishu Kongla Konsachogi Chade Badu Shuge, Urusu Tsongpa Chakchen Konya Jekar
And today I presented the photo, the picture of this Buddhist temple, and His Holiness Dalai Lama smiled, and he remembered that he put his first stone. And now this Buddhist temple is the center not for Buddhists, this is as a cultural spirit center for all Kalmykian people in any religions, and he remembered it. And also His Holiness Dalai Lama asked us to build 7 teachers of Buddhism, and we have built it, and he said that this is only one place where the sculpture of 70 teachers of Buddhism in one place. And also 20 years ago with my friend Igor Makarov, he is an international businessman. He helped to publish the books of His Holiness Dalai Lama, also Tibetan books in Russia, around the world. Also, this is anniversary, 20 years, and now we are here, and we prayed for health of His Holiness Dalai Lama.
So, what else conversations do you have with His Holiness?
Yeah. Many times I visited His Holiness Dalai Lama, and we talked about Kalmykia, about Elista, and about this Buddhist temple which we have built in Kalmykia, because this is the most beautiful Buddhist temple in Europe. And he remembered that 20 years he visited Kalmykia.
Zawe Kushab Kirsan Ilyumzhinov Choke, Tengachilu Chikdong Gubge Gubju Goksum Lorkon Tongmar Kalmuk Chidun Gekab Ki Sinzi Chabi Jesu, Kone Shungde to Sugar Daram Salar Chebeb Nade, Konsa Choki Jega Shubi Jesu, Sugar to Tengman Chebeb Nawa Mase, Kone Konsa Chok Kalmu Nang to Denshu Gyan Nangyo Yobatar, Tirin Konsa Chotan Larian Jete Chungwar Hajangi Gasor Chimbata, Chokbu Nyingba Shigil Hendo Jete Nawe Chowa Lebi Yoba Song Song.
And today also I'm very proud. I feel open. This is feeling as old friends meet each other. I'm very happy.
Chokson Tirin Sugar to Konsachola Tenshoki Ledu Pebe Kalmuk Chidun Gekab Ki Nangbe Ula Surbata, Ruso Pyogi Kusab Tunju, Delo Rumbache Choki Ube, Sori Tede Mita Nike Tuchul Hala, Konsachoki Jega Zena Zedu.
Tadring and Zu Jinda Chubji Chize Nishudo Nimode, Sobo Mima Tomone, Konsacholia, Tenshu Pyogi, Gogapji, Umani Shuji, Dati dos Tenkev Jeje, and Sani dos Tenshu Pyore. Dida tap tuenje that there is Sopone Pajimi, Napia Halaj, and those penangor, the remain Niga, Tukjirejik, and those Jaga Shuege Kokapchon Yore, Dana Shingi and Naniga Shorea, they get trade, they get it some Nanigadu, those Naya Chatter. 다디 지다 고디 칭게 다 소바 카 같이 지어데 이나야 간주데 소베기 명다 dun제디 키기메 다디 가르스는 간주디 소보 투몬게 다 넘버 안체지 도스티 치고 다 지다 대주병에 망부지 용계자들사네 소베기 명디 개체르 지지기도와 간주데 소베 명다 디게디 개체모 남면도 디 안에 소보 용게 다 투모네 다 소보 시도 가는 간주 소보 갸갑 디치부지 nganzu gomba shigyo mare samgedo dane shinge nganzu diri uruzu kyapgonge de kalmo mire kalan kansam ji dospe disha dane shi tuwa boria koranzo sobora cha de gore sori cha de re dunje ya nyamshu tende nangyo re samgedo dere nganzu mexege ene de kalmo ene gishil harambata themba derin dos choyre tadi baje lo geju gesum gi jelya ta gishil haram 당고디 도스토에난 거래. 안디 손자 디 당안조 로규 토네 베메세베 다 제카르조르 축부직다. 아니 가수다. 에는 아란조 직 토몽기 토하는 아란조 직 가조델이야 가수 제거야지 덴데지 통통도.
제가 배워보셔서 가서 겨울무절안에 맨데 보여 준서라 mende putusara nenga zata dalonga za komini yenge mi sumchu sawan se yare ane tak gyoram che jeka ta peka ocho ane ase kalavrata semla soro deodu nga zo ngama ra marshungola ta gindun jang ta chiktong nitong has siyara gindumba ta domba yenge gelondsa ta jela marshu ta semetara ta jela ane tak nga zo gomba ta samadosho ta ane gelondang gitsu sama ne ta chongganju ne ta domba poya ne zo kashe se ondre chundro ta dijela ta mashot ta charjela ta ngazu thoma chikton gu gya guchu guchila ane gyaram che petore ngazu kam ulmala tine zunte ta ngazu ta nacho darya ge de go samare tine ane chikton gu gya guchu gu nilola ya gyaram che yam yanker petore ngazu kam ulmala tene tarang asu gendunge de cha ane dele anu gomba chu odere cha ta gomba cheta tengola ta sabden kan raochi yor ene gyaram che pesen rago amar tene zonte tarang asu ta nacho ta karso cheage ta got samade gyaram che pibane zonte ta peche sina media mandero ane ta kusho tilorum bache ane ngazo ta kamuge lumbe sajilama lagro ngazo ta ulara de ko awde ngazo ta sama yargen roya de ane de chadu ane gosho tolom remeche na korang ngazo ta mexege kamuge chawala karin chimbore ngazo gomba soya dan korang sam karsa ta lega korang cheya dan sama korang genkine ne lo mamborila ane ta ngazo kamu mamana sheshushore karin chimbo tsigeyo ane ta tanda chane na ta ngazu ta gendumba drang ta peche ha nishu sore ane ta manchiro gomanda samlojon chega tangore ta tanda baldo ta gochugu sumne zunte ta lojon chega tangra ane gochugu sumne zunte tanda ta gishe doramba chigdan gishe doramba nidang ane gishe kachuwa chigdan ane ta haramba thama chadare ta chetang aso lerim de chayage ta rubje ya de gyofore mudwa ta lo haram ta la ta lo nishsa sani manda gorgora ta da rubje ta ya ta kusho telor me chekadenda ane gyora me chege ta kalangro olara mazo da kalangro kadina tene mazo ta ta de kharso chayage ta jajita muto da de chik ane samsoyos.
Hello, I'm from Mongolia. I live in Poland, and I came here from Poland to meet the Dalai Lama with my children and my mother. When I meet His Holiness, my emotions got up, and I was very emotional. Yeah.
Did you get to
speak to him? Yes, I also blessed my children, and it was biggest blessing for me.
Oh, I'm very grateful to see Dalai Lama. It's the first time I've been here, and I'm very happy. I was when I saw him, I was crying. our Buddha, and I think I will back here again. I'm very happy. And
did you get to say anything to him?
I have no time. This were very quickly, but I was kiss his arm, and I'm very happy. No,
Thank you.
Thank you.